Okay, I am back here with another video and I will make a tutorial guideline on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is really impressive tutorial I am gonna make for you. Okay, I will download the firmware file and MFlash tool, and here you can see the China, Global, Russia, EU, Taiwan, Turkey, India and Europe. All of the file options are here, and the file size 9.5 GB and 10 GB, 11 GB Russia global 11 GB, and a lot of the users are downloading and getting the benefit from it. I will make a properly guidelines for you from your file. There is a zip stable file as well, you can see. And I would like to go to the browser and MFlash tool. Okay, now I should open the MFlash tool, and here it is. I will open, you can see. Yeah, once you open, if you haven't installed any driver, so it will ask you should install the drivers first. The first, I am just click on the install option and continue. It will work in the background, and in the background. Now I would like to download the global file, that is the zip stable file, and the latest version file. I will click on the download button, and you can see and read the information as well. Download from MS server, and I will click on the yes and save the file. Now you should read some information before doing anything. Okay, the file I downloaded exactly those zip files just perfectly, and I already download MFlash tool. Open it. Okay, let me show you the press select button. Here is the select button. Okay, on the file downloaded properly, I will select this option and choose the file from like this PC, F, and Xiaomi folder. Select and then okay. Okay, make sure your phone properly unlock and bootloader properly. How you can do? Okay, how you can do this? Uh, for this, I need to download the MFlash unlock tool. MFlash unlock tool is opening. Agree. New version. It is asking. No problem. Anyway, okay. You should place your information here to sign in. Sign in, and it will go to the next option. Once you put the email, login, email code, and how you can make properly do the bootloader unlock. Let me open the image. Go to the setting and about phone and MIUI version. You can see on the screen, and top up 7 times on the MI version, and it will ask the password. You should put your password, and then developer option will be enabled. Now go back and go to the additional setting, and there is a developer option, you can see. And how you can do, in the developer option there is the OEM unlock option, you can see in the screen. You should enable this option, and MI tool you open, and it will show like this. Once you open and properly sign in, here you can see. Once you connected your phone using the original data cable, it will show this image. and it will verify all the settings and then it will unlock your smartphone properly and show this. Oh, now you did properly unlock and go to you should now switch off your smartphone and hold the power button and volume down button for the 5 to 10 second and then release it. It will on it you will see any screen appear on the smartphone. Then go to the MF flash tool and refresh it. Here is the refresh button. I will click here and it will show all the information here because the file is edited. Then take clean all very important. Your phone will be locked. Now you should click on the flash button to make your smartphone fully firmware and fully fresh. That's all. If you are facing any problem, any issue, you can comment on the video. There are the guidelines for the Redmi devices only smartphone, and I am gonna try to make a information video for the Samsung Galaxy purpose and other that is very perfectly work. I don't want to waste my audience time at all. Okay, I am getting a lot of the options, a lot of the comment on the Oppo unlock bootloader on the Oppo and how can I contact MI Realme. So I just get the official way. I will make tutorial video. I don't like to waste a lot of the time. That's all. Thank you so much.